Hello, hello.
Hey! Ano? Tamo ko na yan eh! Si Boy, hindi nagkukuha. Hala! Hindi mo nagkukuha.
Di pa nagbabato yung laban nila dito, nagsisiyak na kamo.
Cheer.
Baba na naman din siya. Hari ada.
Hello. Thank you. Happy life. Kung sa kaba igil iinumin. Dito tayo, mag-review na tayo. Ay! Greetings from, where's that? Indramago. Where's Indramago? Where? Indramayo? Indramayo? Yeah? Sure? Thank you so much for 19 million in the house. Everything is your house. The house. Talaga ito kasi para nakita talaga doon. Sorry. Oh my God! Thank you for watching.
Tabon.
Das 4. Wala, bigyan na 4. Mabot taas. Para nagsisiya kami. First time.
Shoutout sa mga nanonood. Shoutout naman sa mga nanonood. Shoutout!
Ako pa yan.
Eh. Thank you. Oh my God. We're watching the liga.
Hindi man nakasama.
Bato pa lang.
Makawalang pag-aaral.
Hi, Sir Mitchell. Have a nice day. Hi, Miss Beautiful. Hi, Sir Mitch. Hi, Sir Mitch. We're watching Liga. Basketball Liga. So nice. Good afternoon to you and family. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Yes, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Good morning. Here's your house. My house. This is my house. Next. Happy 4th of July to you and family. Hi. Same to you, Sir Mitch. Yes. Happy 4th July.
Sabi mo ka. I just wake up, I cross at 3 stars today, so all in quick, enjoy the holiday. Oh my God, you have a stars, Mitch? Okay, happy 4th of July. Thank you so much. Yes, need to begin the rest day today because celebrating 4th of July. Rest day. Celebrating. Nagkaano sa palm eh. I owe 3 grocery stores on a quarter. Wow, oh my god, that's great, Sir Mitch. If you want an employee, if you want more employees, Sir Mitch, something like that, just one. Oh my god.
Wala sira rebound din.
You always love me. Thank you so much, Sir Mitch. I don't have it. Thank you so much. 6, 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. You have family playing basketball. Here, Sir Match have a basketball liga because Fiesta come near. Fiesta coming in August. Celebrating for the, something like that. That's why basketball liga is the part of the culture here and our Bicol province. Yes, hello, hi Sir Ben. Good evening to you, Sir Ben. Good evening. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Ben. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Georgia. Okay. Your house lady is cooking your breakfast. Okay pa, Sir Mitch. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy your meal. Sir Mitch. Enjoy your meal. Breakfast.
Last 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Suarez. Pasangan Jopesa. Jopesa Jopesa. First one. Dan sementara istrinya.
Thank you, Sir Mitch, for the gift. Oh my God! Thank you. Thank you sa gift, Sir Mitch. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Oh my God! Thank you po. Thank you for the gift. Oh my gulay. Thank you sa gift. Oh my God, I have a lot of gifts. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Thank you so much po.
Ay, ako din!
My house lady from the Philippines, she's been working for me about 11 years now. Oh my God, really? Wow. Next week I will start sending people for you and family to help at home. Oh really? Thank you so much, Sir Mitch. My God, really? Thank you, Sir Mitch. God bless you more. Lang pinapansin ang bagong Thank you so much. God bless you more, Sir Mitch. Yes, you are the only live show I have. Oh, really? You know what, Sir Mitch? I have a lot of Filipino doing live, and I'm really appreciated and so thankful for joining my live. Oh my, thank you so much, and are you supporting me, ganyan? I'm so thankful, overwhelmed. A lot of Filipino doing live. You will visiting there also them for support. But thank you so much. I'm thankful that you doing live. You join my live. So it helps me a lot. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Sir Mitch, my job here is helping the community. I'm a community service here. So maybe if you send me the money, maybe I can use it to help other people here, like poor people. I will credit you. So maybe it's the purpose. Maybe the purpose you meet me because in all life on baby vacation, I will bring gifts and chocolates. Oh really? Oh my God! You will bring chocolates and gifts. Oh my God! Sir Thomas Wonder. Hi, Thomas Wonder. Why you visiting? I thought you have a family here. You have a family here in the Philippines, Sir Mitch. Yes, I know Philippines love American chocolate. Yeah, love American chocolate. Something like that. Sir Thomas Wonder. Hi, Sir Thomas. Yes, it's my brother's family in Manila and Cebu City. Ah, okay, that's good. Sir, you have a Sir Mitch, do you have a family? There, you have a wife, kids, something like that. After I visit them, then I will visit you and your family to see me. But it's okay. We're watching the match. We're watching the basketball.
Nagkasaya ka na ito. Wala! Shot!
I have no family. I lost my Filipino girlfriend 9 years ago. Car accident before we both get married. Now I search again. I search again? Oh my god, sorry. Why too long? Searching again. 9 years. 9 years, no relationship. Why? What happened? Sir Matt, I have a lot of beautiful Filipina living in Cebu. Maybe you will find her in Cebu. Just be careful. I want to tell you that just be careful because not all. Be careful about the scam or something like that. So maybe a lot of Filipina in Cebu is peaceful and genuine, something like that. Maybe you will find in Cebu Sir Match. It's a long time to get over her vet because she was my Filipino, my world. Okay. I understand, Sir Match. You're reading now. Now you will find another Filipina, something like that. Maybe you will find in Cebu. A lot of Filipina in Cebu, living in Cebu. A Filipina living in Cebu is a beautiful, something like that. Kind. You will find her, Sir Match.
Kapag magagaling talaga na ano niya raman. Nagsunod-sunod si ano. Ang binayag ba? At ako.
Malaking bagay siya dyan.
Samantala din yung pesa mo dito po. Yung pesa pa na.
Ay!
Yes, only a Filipino for me. I'm 56 now. No kids except my 4 dogs. Oh, 4 dogs. Oh my god. You will find Sir Mitch. You will find a good one. Right. The right one, the good and the right one for you, Sir Mitch. Don't give up. A lot of Filipina in Cebu is beautiful Filipina in Cebu. Really beautiful. A lot of beautiful Filipina in Cebu. Just be careful. You need to know them more. Family background, past, relationship, something like that. Much better if single. Single mother is better. No more baggage.
Ano di ba karatita may lampin to? Ito ang hampang. Pairok si ate na doon. Tapos pinayaan. Gabriel! Pamintana ako na.
Gab! Ah, magkatulog ka nga nito. Gab!
Kuya Gab!
I have because I want to open two store in the Philippines and live there and don't like America anymore. Oh wow, that's you want to settle down here in the Philippines? Yes.
Dito ka matanakan sa mga. Yun sa mga. Hindi ka makakay. Ano mo hindi para mag-ay. Cloud 9.
You will find out good business, Sir Mitch. Maybe good business in Cebu because a lot of people in Cebu. Cebu is an improvement province. Yes, no more America. I love my Philippines. That's good. Thank you. Welcome here in the Philippines, Sir Mitch.
It's the same ball. Yeah, divided by my mind.
20. Ano sa 20.
Hi, my little buddy. He's my son. He's my son. Hi, my little buddy. My little buddy.
Yes, sebentar po. Pasti itu kan sekarang. Sekarang yang tengah-tengah sudah sekarang poin-poin.
Oh, what's his name? His name is Gabriel.
Warning for penalty. Ayo sebentar dengan technical for leaving without permission. Sekarang second personal foul, penalty situation. Bonus. Technical free throw.
You have only one son, yes, po. Only one. I have only one son. Sir Mitch. This is the only one.
Bola tayo ngayon ng number 4.
Only cookie.
Suarez, last 2 minutes.
Now here's my body. Your body. We have no fish fund here.
It's a free throw line violation.
No fish fund. Sir Mitch.
Ba't nagsisimpuan na? Siya na yung Sorry, na quarter.
Kasi pag
Ay, pang third na.
paano yan lang ang turok mo sa mga minjik? Siragam.
Ayun. Paras kahapon, mas baga sila 30 plus tapos pero yan to andos. Baon. Oo. Dako
I
na
see
siya.
basketball,
Walang
so
tawag
I
pa.
played in high school. Culture here in the Philippines, basketball playing. So that's why.
Hindi kay kagabi din na lang senior. Andos.
Kulang man pa.
Mga ni, oras sila palitan. Sige sa gani, wala man na. Wala man kagabi. Wala. No. Napakasan mo.
I I played for Clemson Tiger in Clemson University, South Carolina.
Hindi lang yun.
Oh my God, really?
Makasampot naman.
That's great, Sir Matt. Good to hear. Yes, you look like an India. Oh my God, you. I look Thank you, Sir Matt. Oh my God. You don't know me. I'm not good. Maybe I look like an Indian, but I'm not good. I'm not like that. Good job! Patay unas!
Ayaw pa? Ay,
I can see good. You really look amazing. Awesome. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Matt. I really appreciate it. But I hope I'm like that. But I'm not good. Something like that. Oh my God. Inaano sila para mag-pause sila. Oh, thank you for the gaps. So
20 lamang. Ha? 20. Pero yun.
Thank you so much again. Ah!
Mag-graduate kasi.
Oh my God, thank you.
Dili, mag-graduate na.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Pinaalam muna yung mga katuma.
Why beautiful woman. Ang dami kong grams.
Makalagpasan.
Daghanan ang nag sa ako. 54 buwan ng umray. Thank you sa game.
Ay,
My God, thank you so much. Thank you, God. A lot of gift. Thank you so much. What Shray Ronnie.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you more. Oh my God, more gift. 1,000. Wala! Guys!
Dagan.
Oh my God! Wala ka
Pwede mag-abot yung
Sir
500.
Matt! Thank you, Sir Matt! My God!
Ano dagan?
Hello! Thank you so much again! My God!
Pwede mag-abot yung 500.
Ayan! Ay! My God! Wala na daw na gusto!
Ano, tagal?
Thank you so much! Hindi ko ma-screenshot
Ano ba?
yan. Thank you so much!
Mag-abot yung 500.
Wow!
Ano, 243 na.
Alat! Ay! Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you! Ala! Ala, 500! Ala, Dio! Oh my God! Thank you so much again! Oh my God! Amazing!
Wow! God bless you more.
God bless you! Oh my God! Thank you sa gifts! My God! Thank you! Thank you so much sa gifts! God bless you more, Lord. Thanks a lot. That was fun. Thank you sa gift. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Thank you sa gift. Thank you sa gift. Sir Match. Sir Ronnie. That's so fun. No problem. God bless you more, guys. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Guman. You're always welcome, my angel, my angel. My angel. I'm an angel. Thank you so much. God bless you more.
Ano, 4. Dali!
Wala na natin siya na kay nayanin ako sa Made Me Smile. Thank you. Wala na natin siya kaya nila. Thank you so much. I did more. Always I love. God bless you.